protesters admitted for protest-related injuries have died from complications. I suppose the complication here is that Albion has occupied the hospital since the bombings.
That's awful. I'm sorry.
This is not a problem that will go away on its own. We can either expose Albion's scheme, or we can start sending flowers to these protesters' families. I'm well equipped to do either.
I'm here.
Word of warning, there are 2 high-ranking officers who have direct access to the hospital's server. If you are detected, these guards will likely engage emergency lockdown measures, making access to the server impossible. So, bottom line, if you trigger the alarm, find these guards and stop them from ruining our entire plan.
Come on, man.
There, nobody left to keep us from the server, besides the rest of these gun-wielding knobs.
Let's take them out. Get on the ground.
Just surrender.
This will take a while. Find something productive to do, like knit a sweater or avoid getting murdered.
Let's do this. Hide from me! Oh, that bloody no! Stay on your toes!
I got them! Stop me. My gun's jammed!
This server contains records of medicine that Albion has taken as what doctors call poison. Exposing this plot is all well and good, but we'd better destroy the remaining medicine so it can't be used on anyone else.
Suspect is injured. Get behind Target's not here. Suppressing target. Suppressing target. Providing suppressive fire.
To admitting. New patients report to admitting.
Trapped here!
Code 3. Closest units proceed to alarm location.
Give yourself up!
Suspect hit.
Suspect shooting! You're gonna eat lead, mate! Take it fire! Landing a shot! Big mistake.
Well done. I've uncovered something else from the hospital server. A vehicle Albion uses to deliver the tainted medicine to the hospital. The GPS within that vehicle is the last nail in the coffin of this deadly affair. Consider this a prescription from Dr. Stanley. One dose of motor vehicle theft.
Shots fired!
That's the vehicle there. We have a delivery point. One of Connie's mates will take the vehicle from there. In the meantime, do something about all this, won't you? Connie, about that Albion poisoning patients in hospital scheme. We have data from the hospital server and the delivery vehicle's GPS.
Tarbags, put a copy on the surface downstairs when you get a moment, would you? I know a few thirsty journalists who'd love to help us tell the world what kind of care people have been getting here.